know you're going through something. See, you got to be smart. You got to be smart these days. You got to go throw your O in there, man. Because the enemy don't know what you're saying. Huh? So you better come on with the O, April. Oh, yeah, yeah. Sister Renee, come on, 3, 2, 1.
I got the testimony that God made it fail. Y'all ain't gonna help me preach it. I said God made it fail. You all was supposed to be having my service of celebration. You all was supposed to get the word and be crying. You all was supposed to let it come out of your mouth. Pastor Martin is dead, but I've come to tell you, God made it fail. When you look back, you can tell yourself, God made it fail. Do I have any witnesses in the building that can say God made it fail? He made it fail. When you look back, you made it. I'm going to leave y'all shortly. You made it. Through the drive-by, you made it. Came out the accident, you made it. From them trying to rob you, you made it. From your diagnosis of sickness, God made it fail. He made it fail. That's why I'm going to praise him. That's why I'm going to give him glory. That's why I'm going to lift him up. If you got a problem with my praise, you just gonna have to have it, because the day I'm rejoicing, because God, I said God made it fail. Everything the devil tried, God made it fail. I'm here to tell you, I came out on top, and some of you came out on top, and we choose to give God praise. We choose to lift him up. We choose to exalt him. We praise him because of. Look at somebody, tell them, neighbor. Said, neighbor, I praise him because he brought me out. He brought me through it. I praise him because he helped me. I praise him because he didn't leave me. I praise him. Yes, sir. I praise him because he did it. I'm not crazy. I'm praising him because I didn't lose my mind. I'm praising him because I'm not in a straitjacket talking to fixtures in the room. I'm praising him because when I look at it, that was bad, God made the bad and made it good. He made it fail. So tell the devil, I'm going to rejoice because everything the devil tried, God made it fail. Shake somebody. Tell them, neighbor. Tell them, neighbor. Tell them, God made it fail. Do I have anybody that's going to rejoice because you know he made it fail? Every plot Everything the enemy tried, he tried to kill you, take you out of here. But here you are, said, I'm still here, and it's by the grace of God. I'm still here, praising him. We can't lose. Shake somebody, tell them, neighbor, hang him there. We can't lose. Hang him there. We win. Hang him there. I read the back of the book, and we are winners. Everything the devil tried, God, I said, God made it fail. So what you gonna do? How many glad God worked for you? How many glad the enemy couldn't overwhelm you? When the enemy shall come in like a flood, the Lord lifted up a standard. What you ought to be doing is thanking him. You ought to be waving your hands. You ought to be clapping your hands. You ought to be singing a praise. You ought to be leaping for joy. You ought to be dancing. You ought to be happy. God I said, God made it fail. Touch somebody. I know they don't want you to bother, but touch them anyhow and tell them, neighbor, out of all the things I've been through, I got the testimony. I can sing like the songwriter. Everything the devil tried, God made it fail. Therefore, I'm gonna sing. Therefore, I'm gonna leap. Therefore, I'm gonna dance. Therefore, I'm gonna rejoice. Don't mind me. I can't help it. He made it fail. It failed this year. It failed in January. It failed in February, March, April, May, June, July. Here I am in August, and it's still failing. I got the victory. I got a praise. How many ready? Stand on your feet.
God made it fail. God made it fail. Made it fail. Everything that the devil tried, God made it fail.
Put a praise on it right there.
God made it fail. 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 God made it fail.
I dare you to praise him. Somebody better praise him.
That's it.
God made it fail.
Yes, it is. Praise him. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, somebody better praise him. Somebody better praise him.
You better praise him in here. Oh! Oh!
Somebody praise him.
Dance.
Woo! Well, praise him, DL.